Hi everyone, Namaste to all. This side Vijay Kumar, and you are watching Average Classmate YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting and informative topic today. We are going to create complete end-to-end dashboard today. This video is the continuation of second part. And if you haven't seen the first part or you directly landed to this part, then I would highly recommend you to watch that video first, because if you start watching this video, you may feel disconnected. Let's quickly recap what we have done so far. We have connected our source, we have cleaned the data, and we have created some calculations using DAX. Moreover, we have also understood what all elements plays a vital role in dashboards. Friends, before we move into the graphical part, let me tell you the thumb rule which we are going to leverage in this dashboard. And if you have been watching my videos for a while, so I hope you already know that thumb rule. But no worries if you are new to this channel and you want to understand that rule. So stay tuned. I'm going to talk about that rule. By using one simple technique, you can be ensure that your dashboard is visually appealing and easy to understand, which will make it more effective in conveying the insights you want to share with your end users. Friends, if you have been watching my videos for a while, now I assume that you already know that rule, because I have already talked about that rule many times. It is more about what all type of colors we should use in our dashboard. But let me talk about that rule one more time so that you can feel more connected with the graphical part. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. On Google, I will write 60, 30 and 10 color palette generator. And here we have design rule. And this rule actually works very well for interior design, web design, men's suits, whatever design it is. You guys can see interior is also designed based on this rule. Okay, so this is the best rule which I personally use. I hope now we have a clear understanding of how color combination works and we all are on same page. So friends, without further ado, let's start Karigari, because by far we have not touched graphical part. Alright friends, so first thing first, make this canvas center. Go here, go in align page, go here and make it middle. Now we will change the background of this canvas. We'll go here. From here we will change the background. The color I'm going to use is this one. I'm using my own color, but feel free to use any other color whichever suits your report. And from here we will change the transparency to 15. Now let me resize these drop downs and card. Alright, now let's just arrange it little bit down. Let's insert a shape where we will write our title of the dashboard. Perfect. Now let's change the color. I would take this color and these outlines. Let's off from here. Good. Control C, Control V, insert one more and keep it here. Alright friends. Now let's arrange these on top of this. So my drop downs are hidden behind this shape. So let me just select this, go here and send this shape to back. Now let's arrange these. Okay. And let's change the font size. Go here, go in data label, and from here, instead of 45, let's make it 30. Fair enough. Now these categories are not required. Select this, go here and off from here. And here we will write our title. And here we will write our card title. So from here, let's on. And here you can write previous YTD sales. Perfect. and this we can align in middle. That's all. Now let's change the background color of this card. Go here, go in background, and from here we will change the color. And instead of hash F, I will put hash CC. Now let's add shadow. Go in shadow, turn on shadow from here, expand from here. For shadow, I am going to take white color. This is how it is looking right now. And instead of preset bottom right, I would change it to custom, and my own custom setting I would apply for this. And let's go here. Size is going to be 6, blur 8, degree 80, and distance 5. And that's how it is looking now. Let me reduce the size. We don't need this much size. Let's just apply this same formatting on this and add the card title also. Go here, go in title, and here add current YTD sales. Perfect. Reduce the size. Now we need 2 more cards. So just copy these, Control C, Control V. And instead of sales, we would show here profit. To show here profit, what I will do, I will create a DAX again. I would copy the sales DAX and change it to profit. So for current YTD sales, we have a DAX here. And this DAX I would copy, right click here, go in measure, paste here, instead of sales, make it profit. And instead of total sales, sum function bracket start, put profit inside here and close bracket of sum function and hit enter. Now here, this way, current year to date profit is ready. We can simply drag this inside this field and we have our, let's change the header. Go here, go in title, from here instead of sales, make it profit. Hit enter. So this one is ready. Now let's insert one more DAX for previous YTD profit. So let's take it from here, Control C, right click, new measure, Control V, and instead of sales, write here profit, and instead of sales, write here profit inside the sum function, close bracket of sum function. This function is ready, this is fine, and here also we need to write sum profit, close bracket of sum function, hit enter. This way our DAX is ready for previous year to date profit. Now simply go here and close from here and add this to here. Let's change the header for this card also. Go here, go in title, and instead of sales, make it profit. Hit enter. So this way our 4 cards are ready now. Let's change this whole number into 1000. We will go here and instead of none, we will select it from here 1000. And the same formatting we will just copy, paste, copy, paste, copy and paste. So with the help of this format painter, I am copying the format and pasting here. Now these cards are ready. Let's arrange these. Okay. Now let's select all of these in one go and go in format. Go here and from here select this align middle. This way they are aligned middle. Now we need to adjust little bit more. So go here and distribute horizontally. This way we have aligned our cards properly. Let's give a name to our dashboard. Go in insert tab, go in text, and here I will write market analysis. Control A to select all, and from here I will select it, not 20, I will make it 32. That's all, and make it bold and resize this. And let's put it here, and let's turn off the background color. Go here, background color off. And instead of black, let's make this font color white. Let's click inside this text box, Control A, and from here we will make it white. So our title is ready now. Let's arrange it little bit towards right side so that our shape can be inserted here properly. Now let's insert a shape. Insert, select this here. Let's go here, and here we have a shape. Let's insert this time this one. Let's reduce the size. Perfect. Now let's insert two more slicers, one for region and second for country. Let's go here and let's select region from here. Instead of list, let's convert it into drop down. Let's arrange it here, and let's change the background color. And we will change the background color from here. Instead of white, let's make it the same color which was the color of this shape. Control V. So this way we have the same color. Now let's change the font color. Go here, from here make it white, and let's change the color for these drop down also. Let's go in items, and from here instead of black, let's make it color white, and instead of background white, let's change it to the same color. Now if you click here, it will look nice. Now let's reduce little bit size, and let's increase this shape size. Perfect. Now it is aligned. Now let's just copy this slicer, Control C, Control V, and paste it here. And instead of region, let's put it country. Perfect. Now instead of drop down, let's show them in list, and let's increase the height of this list. Perfect. Now we have scroll bar if user wants to scroll, and if user select any specific region from here, based on his selection, the country would reflect here. Now is the time to insert visuals. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this slicer's formatting. Select this and take the formatting from this format painter and apply on this. Now you can put it here. Now let's create slicer as a button for segment. For that I will select slicer, go in segment, and instead of list I will make it orientation change from vertical to horizontal. Now let's reduce the size of this slicer as per our requirement and change the background to the same color which we apply to the shape. Let's go here, and instead of general we'll go in background, and from here I'll change the background color. This is going to be my background color, and the font of this title, well, title is not required. Let's go here and turn off the slicer header. That's all. Now these buttons also I want to color the same color which I applied on these cards. For that I will go in items, and from here instead of white I will make it 6 times C. So this color and this color is matching. Now let's change the font color to black. Instead of gray, make it black, and make it bold also. So let's go down. Perfect. So now let's reduce the size and place it on top. Perfect. Now the time is to insert visuals. So first of all, here we are going to insert map. Let's insert map from here, and inside the map going to put country in location. Okay, and inside the legend I'm gonna use sales. Perfect. All right. And these are not required. So let's go here and legends off from here. That's it. And just place it here. And if you want this apply the same color, we can apply. Just select this, pick the color from Format Painter and paste over the chart. The map chart is ready. Let's reduce the size. Okay, one more chart we are going to insert here, and that chart is going to be column chart. So let's insert a column chart from here. And in this column chart, I'm going to put subcategory and sales. So where is my subcategory? So here is my subcategory, and sales we have here. This will come in values. This way, it's also ready now. Pick the formatting from this, copy and apply on it. So done. Now we are going to insert third charts, which is going to be bar charts, but which will tell us, which will show us the sales based on market. So let's insert bar chart, go in market and select the sales and put it into values and apply the same formatting to this chart also. So select any chart, copy the formatting from Format Painter and paste over it. Perfect. Now let's add labels. So go here and from here we will add data labels. Let's reduce the size. Here we are going to create a line charts which will show us average turnaround time by month. First of all, for that I am going to create calculated column. I will go here in orders table and here I'm going to create one column. Click here, new column. The name of that column I'm going to give TAT, turnaround time. And it is the calculation would be very simple, ship date minus order state and hit enter. Now this column formatting we need to change. So we'll go here and from here instead of date and time I would make it whole number. Hit OK. This way we have TAT for that particular record. So if you see here we have 5. Let's go towards left side and see we have a order date here 28th of March and here we have 2nd April. So if you subtract 28th of March from 2nd April, we have 5 days. That's what we are getting here. So perfect. Now we need to insert line charts. Select the line chart from here and inside the line charts, I'm going to select in axis, I will select ship date and in values, I will drag TAT, which we created a calculated column. So now let's just adjust. We don't need days. We don't need quarter. We don't need year. We just want to show month wise and let's apply the same color formatting. Select this, select the formatting from here. Perfect. And now these y-axis values are not required since we are showing these labels here. Go here, y-axis, turn it off from here. And this also we need to turn it off. So let's go here and go towards downside and this title is not required. So that's how our chart is ready now. Let's add average TAT line into this chart. So let's go here and from here we will add average line. Now let's try to change the slicers. I can see here we have multiple selections already. So let's go. Okay, in our previous video we selected 2 months, Jan and Feb. So it is there. Now let me select entire 2013. So it is showing me this value. Now these numbers are so big. Let me reduce the size of these font. Select this, go here and from here I would instead of 30 I would make it 10. That's pretty awesome. Now let's change the year now, 2014. So now we can simply analyze. Now the dashboard is totally interactive. Okay, let me make it full screen, and let's just adjust it towards left side so that we would have little bit space towards right side. And now, yes, and from here we can change the year if we want. We can simply see the country wise sales here. Like, we can also compare multiple countries and their score. We can see which country was doing better, which was not. So that's how. And here market wise sales also we can analyze. We can also see in which subcategories we are doing well and where we are not. So that's how, guys. Even if I'm changing region, so based on region, I'm also able to see where the TAT is less than the average, in which month the TAT was higher than average. We can also see the segment wise, in which segment we were doing good, in which segment we are not doing good. So this is totally interactive dashboard now. And here also we can show numbers, which I forgot. So we can add numbers if you want. We'll go here and go here. These y-axis values are not required. Let's close it from here. And this title is also not required. Let's go here, go towards downside, and from here turn it off. Similarly, this subcategory is also not required, for which we have to go in x-axis and down and down, and here you go. Now we need to add data labels. Let's go here, and here we have data labels. Since we have opened this visualization pane, let's go and add marker in this line chart also. Select this, go in shape. Here we have show marker. Select this, and let's change the color for these marker. So we'll go here and select this color. Cool. Now the first page is ready. And in the next video, we will add more functionality to this dashboard, where we will see drill through, drill down, and other elements to take this dashboard to the next level. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you very much.
उम्मीद है आप लोगों को मजा आया होगा। अगर आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिला है तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा उनके साथ जो करियर में ग्रोथ चाहते हैं और मेहनत से नहीं घबराते हैं। और हाँ, अगर ये हमारी पहली मुलाकात है तो नीचे दिए हुए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर जोर से हिट कीजिए। आपसे बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी विद वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग एंड हैप्पी लर्निंग।